he saw many fine clothes in the room, waiting for him. When he looked out the window, he saw the most beautiful flowers blooming.
Who lives here? Could it be a magical fairy?
He wondered. Then he went to the hall and found more delicious food waiting for him. He ate some breakfast. When he went outside, he saw some lovely roses. He simply had to take one for beauty. As he plucked one from the bush, he saw a frightening beast when he turned around.
Why did you steal my rose? They belong to me, as everyone knows.
The beast roared mightily. The beast called the merchant ungrateful and vowed to take his life.
I'm so sorry,
said the merchant, trembling in fear.
I took the rose for my daughter.
The beast said that he would forgive him on one condition, that the merchant bring a daughter to the palace. But the merchant loved his daughters too much to give any of them up. He did agree, just for the chance of seeing his lovely children one last time. The beast told him to fill an empty chest with whatever he liked, and that it would be sent to his house. The merchant filled it with gold. The coins went plink, plonk, plink, plonk as they went in. He left the palace in sadness, but he was happy that he had something to give his children. After a long journey through the forest, he returned home. The merchant saw a rose bush with beautiful roses and remembered Beauty's request.
What beautiful roses! But how do I reach them? Help me to reach the part of the garden where the prettiest roses bloom. Hooray! I can see a way. Thanks for your help. These are beautiful roses. I need to pick the prettiest one for Beauty. We don't need an orange rose. This is a scarlet rose. The yellow rose is good, but Beauty asked for a scarlet one. This one is perfect. Bright scarlet with velvety petals. Beauty will be delighted. How dare you pick my favorite rose? Is this how you pay me back for saving your life? Forgive me, Your Majesty. I only picked a rose for my youngest daughter. I am not a king. Don't call me Your Majesty. But this castle is mine, and nobody is allowed to break in here. Please spare me. I have 3 daughters and 3 sons. Take this rose and come back in 3 days. Don't even think of deceiving me. I promise I'll come back. I'll just say goodbye to my children. I shouldn't have come here. What do I do now?